Where's Sissy?
Sissy. Papa.
Knock on her. Knock on the door.
Sissy.
Where's Sissy?
Sissy.
Holler, say Sissy.
Sissy.
Sissy. Open the door. Is she in there? Look under the floor. Look under the door. Is she in there? Look under the door. Look through the door. Look down there. Is Sissy in there? Look through the door. See under the door? Look under the door. See under the door. Look through the door.
Sissy's not there.
Look under the door. Is Sissy in there? No. Look. Look at the bottom of the door. There you go. Look down there. Look down there. Look down there and see if Sissy's in there. Look in there. Look in there. See if Sissy's in there.
Sissy want Baba.
Is
You
Sissy
love-
at her mommy's?
You love Sissy?
Open the door. Open it. Sissy's not home today, baby.
Sissy want Baba.
Sissy went to see her other sister, Victoria. Yeah, she went to go see Victoria.